In this example, I am going to share you the usage of conditional formatting. We can format the cell contents based on condition. So we have here some three column contents: name, date and amount. Suppose I want to make the formatting based on condition, click on conditional formatting, where we can see different formatting tools. So I can start with less than a particular amount. On that case, that cell color and cell font can be changed. So I can start with less than. For example, here select this cell, click on conditional formatting. I am using with the less than that particular amount. On that particular amount, that cell must be in different color. We can format based on that condition. So I'm here changing some color. We can see the color and font will change on that particular cell. So we can change here the font name also on the custom format. We can see here I'm making as white, so it will change as white font and blue background. So I'm cancelling that one and I'm going through different one that cell contains. For example, it's ABC here in default. I'm typing here as AC only and change the format type as yellow and with the red text. I'm just cancelling this, and on the condition format we can see the new rule. This is most important. On the new rule, the down we can see here the formula. We can type the formula. This is most important part in the condition formatting. Here we can type the formula here. For example, if I want to make the color change for the odd row different color and even row different color. For example, we start the name with, after name we can start the row starting from 5, that is odd row. We can use here isOdd function for the odd row, so plus row also. So inside isOdd we can type row function to search the row. In case odd row, then click on format cells. I'm filling with a different color here, click OK. And if I want to change that font for that odd row cell, odd row contents, just make it as bold also, click OK. See here, it's changed in the odd row, then the 5th row and 7th row and 9th row has been changed. Suppose I want to change to even row also. Here we can type whatever condition formula we can type here. I am typing here is even, and on the bracket I am mentioning as row, searching for the even row. In get that even row, then I'm changing the color as just like navy blue color and font as white. Click on OK. It's not changed, something wrong somewhere. Just click on there and click on manage rules where we can edit that one. Click here and click on that particular, the first one, that blue one is not changed. Click on that edit rule. We can retype it here. Even is even on the bracket, row, double bracket and bracket close, click apply and OK. Now even row with the blue background and white font. Suppose we want to remove this on formatting, we can go to manage rules where we can see edit rule also. We can edit, we can extend the ranges. So if I want to remove this one, click on that particular conditional formatting checkbox and click delete. Delete. Now after you click OK, then it will be in the without formatting as usual. Now, as we learned before, for the data validation in the data list with the data tab, click on the data validation we learned before. On the list, I'm keeping some list here. On the name, just keep this name as unique names here. Sorry, I want to make it here also, not there. I'm keeping the data validation again. Click on data validation. I'm on the list. I'm using this name list. Just keep this name list. Click OK. We can see the unique names. I'm just caption as name. When I click that particular name, that row should be in different color and different font. So we can select this part and click on conditional formatting, where we can see the new rule. Here on the formula bar we can type, select this cell equals, on the name we have a name here, and before that row you have to remove the dollar sign. We don't want to lock that row because we need to reach this one below rows also. So press F4 and remove that dollar sign and click on format. We can format the color here, blue background. I'm just clicking blue background and white font. Click OK. OK. Click any name. That particular name will select as that particular formatting style. So we can change automatically like this. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.